for a member of the Dáil. Now in one night in Mullingar, the greyhound won a race, and you'd know it was a butcher's dog the way he showed his pace. And he wrapped around the track so fast and never once did stall. Sure, the people get the best of it and the greyhound gets the fall. Now the wife may charms the people when she's serving in the bar, and she listens to all their troubles, no matter what they are. And they ask her about her politics, she can answer one and all. Sometimes we don't know which of them is a member of the Dáil. Ober County's a TD, me boys, an undertaker too, with the biggest bloody hearse in town. You're dead, you'll know it's true. And he'll fit you for a coffin